Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to edit vlog or video blog by Capcut application. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Capcut application here, and now you can start and choose what the recording of your daily activities that you want to edit into the vlog by creating new project. So I already prepared to you here. So this is my activity during work. Okay, sometimes when we want to create a vlog, sometimes our recording is quite long. It takes like 10 to 20 minutes, and that's quite boring if we upload it that way. So we need to edit to make it shorter. How to make it shorter? We just need to take off the several part that doesn't need it into this video like this. This is like a blank activity. There is no activity on this duration of time, so we just need to take this off. So how to make it? You just need to adjust in the positions where you want to delete the parts. For example, I start to be appear here, so when you already positioning the straight line on the right positions, you just need to click edit and go click split. And now let's decide until which part that we want to delete this clip. Okay, I already start entering the frame this point, so now adjusting the straight line in this position and go click split. And now make sure that this clip is active, so you just need to click this part, and after this part is active, you just need to click delete to delete it. Okay, let's take a look first on the result. Okay, this is the first part, and then it will be gonna move nicely. Okay, and after that I still want to deleting several part that doesn't need it. Like for example, okay, I would like to split it over here, go click edit, split, and after that try to find another or the end of the clip that we want to delete. Okay, for example this, and after that go click split, click this side, and go click edit. Now don't forget to have a check on the result. Okay, and after you're done, go click this. Now it takes quite long, so you just need to go make it shorter, go back, click split, and now let's find the end of the clip that we want to delete. Okay, probably I will let you delete until this part. Go click split, click this part, and go delete. Okay, take a look on the result. I start to be appear, so let's delete this part. Go click edit, split, find the end point. Okay, I would like to make it over here. Okay, and now it will be go so on until you find the best result on your vlog. Okay, I would like to make it shorter. So after we cropping the sections that we don't need on the screen, we can also add in filters to make our video looks better. Okay, we can go choose what the Capcut provide to us. Okay, just need to find out which part that or which filter that will be matched with your feed. Okay, and after you find the best filter that you want to apply, you just need to go click done. Make sure that you applying all the filters, applying the filters to whole of your clip. And after you're done, you just need to check the result. So that's, I think, part of tips to edit the vlog on a Capcut. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.